Hi there, this is Wayne Thorns, Educational Technology Facilitator for the Poudre School District, and I'm here today to talk with you about booking curricular resources such as Foss kits. So to start with, I'm going to start on the district homepage, and we're going to use the library OPAC system to book these resources. You can do this from probably from any library, but you could also just go right here to where it says Staff, and you could go to the library page just by clicking on Library Search. This is going to bring you to the main library page. Right now it doesn't know who we are, so in order to book something we have to let the system know who we are. So I'm going to click on Login here, and I'm going to type in my login information. And once logged in, you'll see it's dropped me into the library that I belong to by default, but we want to be able to search the Curricular Resources Library. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to find the Curriculum/Foss Resources Library. And I'm going to go to there, and then I'm going to search for the kit that I'm looking for. You can search by a variety of keywords. So for example, I'm going to look for Foss, and I'm going to look for that air and weather kit. So I'm going to type air, hit return, and there it is. So that's that air and weather kit that I was looking for. Once I've confirmed that this is indeed the kit that I want, I can click right here where it says Book Item. Once I book the item, there's a few things that you need to do. One, how many items, how many kits would you like? I think I'm going to ask for 3 of them. Okay, where would you like them delivered? Notice by default it doesn't pick your site. I don't know why. Don't ask me. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to pull down until I find the site that I'm at. So if I'm changing schools next year, this can be very handy. We want to make sure that we apply whatever site we'd like. What request dates are you looking for? So 4/16 to 5/22. Okay, so for our purposes, I'm going to pick the 20th. And by default, it's going to be typically a 6-week checkout date. However, since our school year is ending, it just is going to reserve here me through 5/22. It's going to automatically pick delivery for you, and I'm just going to say apply those settings and book those items. Once I click book, then it will book those items for me. Please be aware when picking a site, this will allow you to pick a different site if you're going to be changing schools next year. So for example, if I'm currently teaching at Bacon and next year I'm going to be teaching at Irish, I would be able to choose that site. Be aware as well that if you're reserving items for Foss and you will not be at the school next year, that those items will not arrive at that school next year. So you need to be reserving items for a location and a grade level in which you will be teaching next year. So once that's done, I'm going to click Book Items. Those items are booked, as it tells me right up here. And if you just wanted to be sure that those items were booked or see what items you had booked, you could click right here where it says My Account, go down to My Borrowing, choose Booking. It'll tell you right here that I've reserved the air and weather book. I have 3 copies of that set aside to me. It also gives you other information about your borrowing stuff. And if you want to change that booking or you want to get rid of that, I can click right here where it says Unbooking, and it will remove that from the system. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of the spring and a fantastic summer. Take care.